What you're looking at is a Facebook ad for an open house that I just stumbled across. I just want to point out a couple of simple things that you can do to make this much more effective at building your real estate business. Now, if you have your own listing, you're running an open house, or you're simply running an open house for someone else's listing, a really good way to generate interest in it, build your brand in your local market, and generate leads at a very low cost is to run a Facebook ad. But you can't just throw any picture on there with any text and a link to any site. That won't do it for you. There's a couple of simple things you can do. Let's start with the image, okay? Go to canva.com, get a free account, set up a Facebook ad size. They have the templates there. It's very easy, and you can drop any picture in there. And then at the bottom or the top of your picture, have a banner with some kind of text, because it will pop off the page and it will generate more interest. So there should be a banner across the bottom of this about the open house, the neighborhood, anything to, as people are scrolling down their news feed, that will make them stop for a moment, take a look at it. And that right there, that I guarantee you will do it. That little banner at the bottom with a bright color. So you definitely want to do that for your image. The bigger problem with this ad is when I click it. Okay, I go here. I'm going to this site right here. Okay, sure, it's got the agent's info, but it doesn't really display the property in a very nice way. It's okay, but the big issue here is what kind of lead capture is there here? You're giving away all of the information right here. I can see all of the pictures. I can see all of the property information. I've got the address. I can go to Zillow and check out whatever I need to on the property. There's no need to enter this information here unless I want to see this property immediately. So the chances of this ad generating leads from clicks that are being sent here is extremely low. But the fix is an easy one. What we do is we go from our ads, here, our open house ads, and we go to what we call a Facebook integrated landing page. And we don't give away too much information. It has a wide, full screen picture of the property, a couple of bullet points, click for photos. After you click, you'll have instant access. Right? And sometimes below the fold we might have some additional property information. And again, click for photos, and this is one click lead capture. Lead information is dropped in your database and you're instantly notified that you have a lead. And then after clicking this, then we would instantly redirect them to this type of page or your agent website with the property information. So what we do is we go from the Facebook ad to a page that will capture information like this or like this. One click lead capture, and then we forward them to the property information that will have the address, all the photos, pricing, everything on it. For open houses and listings, this is the way to do it because it generates leads at a very low cost. If you go to postaprop.com, we've got a case study right here. Just scroll down. You'll find this blue button. Click this. It'll take you to a case study that shows you exactly how to set up an open house campaign on Facebook. That this exact example is generating leads at well under $1 a lead. So you set up an ad for a few days, run it from Wednesday to Saturday night or Sunday, run it for 3 to 5 days. You can generate literally hundreds of leads from one open house and do it at 40 cents a lead, 50 cents a lead, 60 cents a lead, heck, even $1 a lead. You can do it with the setup that we have for you. So do this. Go to postaprop.com right here. Scroll down a little bit. Check out this recent case study. It will really help your real estate business.